Hey, what's going on, guys? Glad to be back. Got another video for y'all of me doing some work on a white Range Rover. I'm gonna give y'all a quick walkthrough on what I did and some tips and tricks of how to do a job like this. Now, this car here had a front bumper, some rock chips on the front, and some key scratches on the fender, the front of the door, the edge of the hood, and some door dings, as you can see. I scuffed the whole panel, it's Scotch-Brite basically, the gray pad. Got it ready and prepped for paint, all papered up. And this is pretty much my first layer of base. Now, I like to layer it up, guys. I spray the base on there, let it flash, do multiple layers. I might even do a spray out card just to see how many layers of white it's gonna take. And also, I recommend spraying clear on your spray out card if you do that, and put it in the sun or in visible light to see if 4, 5, 6, or 7 coats are going to cover the primer spots. And this is with clear. Now, once you shoot clear and you didn't cover your primer spots, they're going to show through. So as you can tell right here, there's no primer spots. So I got good coverage, guys. You want to make sure you have good coverage. And if you look at the paper, you can see where it's solid white on the edge of the paper towards the back of the door. It's very light, it's misted. That's where I did my blend, towards the back of the door. On the bottom of the door, I pretty much shot a lot of base. This is orange peel before buffing. A job like this, guys, I think it cost, if I'm not mistaken, it was $1,500 or $1,700, all in a day's work. The dealership had quoted somewhere around $3,500 plus the rental, all that included. But this customer was really happy, excited, and he loved it. So just to let you know, guys, this is pretty much what I can do with my trailer setup. And if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, hope you enjoy, guys. Laters.